All right, Sammy. Show me how to make a tortilla.
I'm making a tortilla for Gima.
You making one for Gma?
That's nice. Ready, Ma? Ready for Gima?
Baby, let's eat it after you cook it, okay? Here, where's your tortilla? Show me how it looks.
Good.
It's good? Okay. All right, here, I don't think, okay. How does it look?
Perfect.
Perfect. Now, how do you make a tortilla, Sammy? What's
That's
this?
for Gima.
Nice.
What you did about
Oh, sorry, now it's Pac-Man. We'll fix it. Okay, so how do you make a tortilla, Sammy? First, you gotta get the dough and do what with it?
Yeah.
Roll it into a ball? All right. Okay. Now what do you do?
Boil the super. I put it in super and boil it in super.
Now what?
And squish it. Now what?
Now what?
Pick it up. Gotta fix it.
And put it in the pan. Gotta fix it. Thank you, Sammy. That's a good tortilla. Yay!
It's broken.
I'll fix it. All better.
I will fix it.
Okay, you fix it.
I will fix it then too.
Okay. Good idea. There.